Good morning, one and all present here. So how are you? I think that you all are be fine. So today we will making our dried potato. So first of all, we cut our potato and take our ingredients like onion, tomato, green pepper, salt, garam masala. This is another type of masala. Turmeric, black pepper, cumin seeds, tomato ketchup as well as oil. First of all, we put our kadai into the gas and start our gas. Then we will adding oil into the kadai and it takes around 1 to 2 minutes for
Boiling it.
boiling it. And now we will adding cumin seeds into the kadai. It takes around 1 to 3 minutes to completely boil it. Now we will adding onion into that and wait around 2-3 minutes before it become like brownie. As you seen that it's look like brownie, so now we will adding tomato as well as green pepper into the kadai and take some time it for completely fry. And now we will adding salt as per our taste, turmeric, masala, black pepper as well as green pepper. And mix it completely. क्या बात है, its fragrance like yummy. Ketchup into the kadai. Now it's time to add potato into the kadai. Sorry. And mix them. It takes around 3 to 5 minutes for complete fry. Now we will wait around 25 to 30 minutes. Making puri. First of all, we make our potato fried. So after that, we making our puri. First of all, we make our puri dough. It's look like hard because if we make puri dough soft, then our puri is not look like crunchy, and our oil is on boiling. So first of all, I put my first puri dough into the kadai.
ठीक है.
We will preparing and our first puri will be prepared.
Ready.
Now we will adding another.
आराम से गिरते हैं. मुंह पे तेल आना ना पता नहीं.
As you seen that the puri is like very crunchy and like yummy.
पूरी के ऊपर ऐसे करते रहना है, इससे पूरी फूल जाती है।
Have it.